one of those animals as our case study may be today, and that animal is called the eagle. I'm sure we all know the eagle. Though there are so many misconceptions about the eagle, there are so many things that has been taught about the eagle that while I was doing my research, I found out that most of them are not true. And most of them is that the eagle is the highest flying bird. No, the eagle is not the highest flying bird. As a matter of fact, the eagle can only fly 10,000 feet above sea level. Researches have been made, and the bird that can fly higher above the sea level is the Rupel griffon vulture, because that bird can fly 37,100 feet above the sea level. So the eagle can only fly 10,000. Griffon vulture can fly for 37,100 feet above sea level. That's about 11,300 meters above the sea level. So the eagle is not the highest flying bird, and I also make a research also on the bird that can fly for a longer time. It's not the eagle. So there are just two things that makes the eagle different from every other bird, and I'm going to talk about them today. And one of them is our topic for today, which is vision. One of the things that the eagle has that no other bird has is called vision. The eagle can see very far. The eagle can see its prey from a very long distance. And a research has been made, and they said that if humans had vision as good as the eagle, we'll be able to see an ant on the ground from the roof of a 10-story building. So that's how far the eagle can see. That's about 2 kilometers. So it means that an animal, a prey, a food for eagle. And you know, one thing about eagle is that eagle don't eat dead things, while vultures eat dead things. And you must remember that God made them that way because the eagle has an acid inside its intestine that can take up dead things and it's not going to harm him. But for an eagle doesn't eat dead things. Eagle prey on living things. They prey on fishes. They even prey on big animals that are bigger than them, that their body weight. So we saw that an eagle has a vision, a clear and distinct vision. And they also make a result that if we have the kind of sight that an eagle has, we'll have brilliant color visions and nearly about 360-degree range of view. Wow, that's amazing. That's interesting. So this powerful bird that God decided to identify himself with is a visionary. He is able to see its prey and is able to launch an attack to go for the prey and to make sure he attacks the prey. Eagle has been seen so many times attacking fishes in water, attacking animals on the mountain, attacking animals from a very long distance, and they go for it. And another thing that makes the eagle so special is that the eagle is the only bird that has the capacity to fly towards the wind. Every other bird doesn't like flying towards the direction of the storm, but you see the eagle flying towards this direction, and he uses the wind as an advantage. You know, I think I made a teaching on that, how that you should learn to use adversity for advancement. Learn to use adversity for advancement. I'm sure you are still with me. If you are still with me, say amen.